What up, stream? Give me a minute, just setting up. Give me a minute. Alright, what up, stream? Got some big things coming in today. First thing, let me move these bottles so they're not in the shot. Shit. First thing is, we're going to be using copyrighted music in the stream, so yeah, YouTube's not going to like that, but whatever. I'm entering a editing competition from Jack Cole's YouTube channel. I'm saying I'm entering it now. I don't think I'm actually going to end up finishing this because these clips are so fucking bad. Oh, shit. I'm not supposed to swear. These clips are so freaking bad. Nothing against the guy. Just, he said his friend used the gimbal, which is the reason that a lot of these shots are really bad. And as you can see, like, the shutter speed is super low. So, like, these shots are barely usable. There's not much room in here. So I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna just play some music, slap some clips onto this thing, and just hope I can make it work. I mean, let's see what I can do. I'm gonna play some music and just chill out. If you guys are enjoying the stream, you can like the stream, but I don't expect anyone to enjoy this stream. This is just, I mean, I don't know. Alright, let's do it. We're gonna have to go so cinematic on this thing. So right now I'm just trying to find some inspiration for the way I want to make this film work. What's up, Dashvid? Hey, dude. So, listen to, I don't know if you missed the intro, but I joined this editing competition, and this guy pretty much has a bunch of clips, and you have to try and make your own edit out of it. And I really want to do something cool, but these clips are so bad, and I'm just like, I don't know what to do. But the one thing I like is that since this competition, everyone uses the same footage, there's no advantage necessarily on... Like, no one's gonna have better footage than someone else other than the way they edit it. You know what I mean? Like, the raw footage is the same for all of us, so that's nice. I'm just going through all the clips, seeing what I want to use, what I don't want to use. And yeah, I mean, let me know what you think. I'll play some music in the background at the same time. Sounds interesting. Is it a small local competition or something big? Well, the guy has like 150k subs, but the video, he doesn't get that many views, to be honest. So it's like, I don't know. I'm thinking, so the last competition he did, he said he had about 100 something submissions. So I mean, it's big, but it's not like a fucking worldwide. I mean, it is worldwide, but I don't know. And I gotta stop swearing. I don't know why I do it. I never swear in real life. I don't often swear in real life. In real life, I mean, when I'm talking to someone, but when I stream, I don't know why I do it. Because I'm tired, I just don't care anymore. I don't know, I'm playing some music, and I'm just gonna go through all the clips and see what I like and what I don't like. And if you say like, "Hey, Mike, that'd be cool to do this or whatever," tell me, because I'm not sure. I really was thinking like it'd be cool to do some kind of voiceover and super dramatic build up for like a character, like character development. So let's say like an Avengers character, but what am I gonna say? His superpower is pressing the button on the record button on the camera, you know? So like this footage, his other competition would have been much better for that. So we're just gonna go through the footage. We're gonna try and keep everything we can use, and then at the end we'll see what to do. I'll make a little folder here, usable.
Songs we're making just ain't songs to me. Just a way to ventilate the demons calling me. Just a way to keep me sane so they won't bother me. And I'm sorry I don't answer when you call me. I know you've been worried. Really nothing against you, just the way that I am. All the pain that I've been dealing with is gone in my head. No, pain goes on and on. I'm thankful. I'm so fucking grateful that I never let go.
How much material are you working with, like total runtime? Well, I have to be under 30. I have to be like 30-second max, and I've got what looks like about 13 minutes worth of footage, and yeah, so 30-minute edits, 13 minutes of footage. The thing is, it's not like I keep obsessing about the footage and how bad it is, but it's about the storytelling, because everyone's gonna do cool edits, but where's the story? That's what's gonna kill. Like if we were to go and watch like some of the clips, so you know, let me just pull it up. Let me just go to his channel, Jack Cole. If I had a lot of subscribers, I probably wouldn't do this because I'd be giving the guy so much exposure for free. 154k. That's like he gained like 10k subs in like a week. What the hell? Okay, that seems a bit sketchy, but anyways, let me pull up.
What up, people? My name is Jack. You probably already know that if you are somehow...
One thing I don't like about this guy, that will be taught. The cool thing is that it's fair, since everyone is working the same footage. Exactly. So like the guys with the $20,000 cameras and the guy with the that'll be tough. Oh, okay. The guys with the $20,000 cameras and the guys with the $200 cameras, they're gonna be in the same playing field. Because editing, it's like, yeah, you could do it faster on a better computer, but you don't become a better editor with the better computer. You don't necessarily become a better editor with a better camera, but your footage noticeably changes. So I don't know. Anyways, so let's go check out these winners. These videos are way too long, but like check out some of these and how cool the story is. So I'm pretty sure this one they turned it into a horror film. So he had footage of him in like Iceland or something, or Iceland, and this guy turned it into a horror film, if I'm not mistaken.
The search of the three missing Montgomery College students continues in Frederick County tonight.
10 days and thousands of man-hours have been unable to produce any.
We have a few leads. We have options we want to take advantage of.
I'm so scared. Then there was like the typical edits.
Throwing $100 on the line.
I love this song, by the way.
If you're a YouTuber, you're probably
It's such a good editing song, this one. Yeah, whoa, right?
Start using
See, so like the clips weren't that good, but the horror theme was like amazing. This one's a bit different. The guy took his clips and turned it into like an intro for his videos. So that was like the theme. So if you see it starting right here.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video here on my channel. Today,
Let me move my
taking a
face.
different turn. That's right. I'm announcing my first ever video editing contest, and we're throwing $100 on the line.
I love this text animation. And the song. The song was killer. Can I find the song somewhere? Please tell me someone in the comments asked for the song. You ever do that? You ever like hear a song in a YouTube video and then you just go to the comments and see if someone wrote the word song? Damn it, no one checked it. Oh wait, someone did? I don't see the word song anywhere. Oh, damn it. You know what I usually do? Want to see something bunk? I take my phone and I open what's it called? Not Spotify. Shazam, which is like this machine learning app that listens to songs or whatever. Do you have any idea like how you will structure it, the edit so far? No clue. That's why I wanted to stream it, because I knew you'd be in here and you're a big cinema guy and there's a bunch of people in here and you guys can give me ideas on how to make it just, even if I don't execute the best idea, even if my execution isn't the best, I want it to be different than just a normal edit. Because he had 116 submissions and 100 of them were like the same thing. Different song, but same shit. I want it to be so different that he's like, holy shit. No, honestly, I don't even care about winning the $100. I just want to do this in the future. I want to run competitions like this for code and for editing and whatever. So I think it'd be really cool to just like see how he's structuring his. Anyway, so I'm gonna take my headphones off. I'm gonna play the song again from that one B-roll, and then I'm going to blast it into my phone on Shazam, and it's gonna tell me the song name. Watch. Alright, so phone says we were in love, Taku. Let's see. We were in love, Taku. I don't think that's the song, but let's see. Oh, it is. I mean, besides the price, it's good practice for you to exercise with other people's footage. Shazam is never wrong. Oh, dude, it's been wrong. It's been wrong with me. But it's getting much better, because it's machine learning, so it's magic. Besides the price, so... Look, it's a good example, but I have other shit to do. So as cool as it is, like, I don't want it to be something I do too much of. But yeah, it's gonna be cool. I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna end up competing in it. I just don't want to spend too much time on this, but I definitely want to, like you said, try editing someone else's footage. Like, that's something I've never really done. Also, I haven't done any of this stuff in DaVinci Resolve, like any of these transitions, masks, like this thing, that thing he did there, the spin and push. I've never done that in DaVinci Resolve, so it's gonna be like a whole new world. Like, I'm gonna learn so much by trying to make a generic video. Oh man, was just watching your vid. Hell yeah. What's up, Wizzy? How's it going? It's going great, dude. Thanks for asking. How you doing? We're looking at the previous editing competition that I'm entered in this week, and I don't know if I'm gonna end up finishing it, but I'm gonna give it a try and see how it goes. So here's the submission. Let's watch it, and then we'll watch a third one, and then we'll go. These are the winners, the 3 winners from the competition. I could do all this in Premiere. Doing it in DaVinci Resolve, I don't know.
Killed it. Literally unbelievable. The thing with the sky, it just blended so well. A fair few people did something with the sky, but this one was easily the best version of the sky kind of effect, for lack of a better.
Let's go to third submission. So this is the type of edit that 100 people did. This is what I don't want to do. I know I could do this. This is not challenging. I want to challenge myself for story. So I have these shitty clips for the new competition. They look nothing near this one. And I want to try and make the story really good. Because I know the clips aren't going to be amazing. Because that's out of my control. Because they were already filmed, right? So I can do color grading and stuff like that, but this has so much work for so little clips. Oh yeah, dude. Some of these, like, so these aren't really complicated, but when I was doing B-roll in my original YouTube videos, when I was doing like code videos and I was just filming like anything, it was like 8 hours of B-roll and then like 1 hour editing for the normal video. But it's fun. This is what makes it fun. At least to me. I know Josh used to do a lot of these. That was cool. I can appreciate those 2 masks. So there's a mask with the car window. So he's gonna swipe to the left, and the car window is gonna mask into the next scene, and then he's gonna look in the sky, and the birds are gonna disappear, and then the white is gonna be for another shot. So watch this. Swipe, and now look at the birds. He's gonna go up into the sky, and they're gonna disappear, and transition to the next shot. That is cool. I can appreciate that. What was that? That's cool. Never knew till I got into it, but I don't have the PC, so I can't edit. You can edit. It just depends what program you're using. If you have a good CPU but not a good GPU, you're gonna have to use Premiere. If you're gonna have a good GPU, then DaVinci Resolve will probably make more sense. There's ways to proxy your videos. So let's say you record your videos in 1080p and those files are too heavy for your laptop or computer or whatever. You can proxy them into 1440p, so into like a very low quality version of those clips. Edit the 140p clips, and when you export, instead of exporting the 140p, it's going to export the 1080p. So the export is going to take some time because your laptop probably can't handle it, or your computer, whatever. But editing is going to be very easy and very smooth because you're going to be it's going to make a copy of your current video, down-res the shit out of it, and then you'll be editing the crappy version, and when you're exporting, you'll export the good version. So you can definitely edit on your, unless your PC is like really, really bad, but I haven't seen, like, I was editing on like 8 gigs of RAM, so I don't know. bird thing was smooth. Hell yeah. It really was.
Killed it. Joke, you absolutely smashed it, bro. For real. Big up to Joke. Even everything down to the
There's a couple other I really want to make these competitions so I don't have to work on editing. I can just watch it. I don't want to watch this. This seems boring. Too long to get into the meat of the video. Here we go. I like this is more my style. Stop procrastinating. Yeah, that's true. It's true. All right, let's go back to. I'm also looking for inspiration. Not gonna lie, because I have no clue what I want to do. All right. This shot was super shaky. It was so bad. Oh yeah, I've done that downsize quality thing on Premiere. Very good tip, man. Let me know if it works or if you've done it already. How did it go? Are you gonna edit the entire thing live? I'd like to, but I don't think that's realistic. I'd like to get a good idea today, and then in tomorrow's stream, either on Twitch or YouTube, figure out exactly, or today figure out what the style is, and tomorrow edit the whole thing live. But I feel like this is a different thing that's interesting, you know? Like this code, and then there's this. Like you chill, you talk, and oh cool, yeah, Mike, why didn't you try putting this clip there? And why didn't you? And people are using their creative thoughts without having to learn to edit. So it might make people here who are only interested in programming, maybe be interested in some editing. You know what I mean? Because all you need to be is creative. I'll do the editing. You know what I mean? You could be like the navigator, and I'll be the driver. Not saying I'm gonna let you drive the whole time, but you know what I mean. Problem is I'm not creative at all. That's why I stick to programming. Do you stick to back end or front end? Because front end needs some creativity, I guess. I mean, anything in the world needs creativity. You need to know how to do things in creative ways. I don't know. Little creativity can be learned. Hard work beats talent. That's true. That's very true. Creativity can be learned, but to those that, for those who are natural at it in that specific thing, they need to put in the hard work, and that's a recipe to win, you know? And I don't think creativity falls under the talent. Or maybe it does, I don't know. Currently learning RESTful routing with databases, nice. Interesting stuff, finally making some real apps. Hell yeah, dude. Enough of that discrete math bullshit. Excuse me, damn it, I gotta stop swearing on stream. Alright, let's keep going through clips. I can't watch this, I gotta stabilize it. I'm gonna go crazy. I know what I could do here. Did you haven't watched Three Billboards? Not yet, dude. I need to. I honestly, I watched like one episode of Hawaii 5-0 today. I was so busy. This dog park I go to with my dog, the mosquitoes and the flies. So the flies bite your skin, and the mosquitoes then come in and like try and destroy your leg. And the flies kept like digging in the same spot in my leg without me realizing, and I woke up this morning with like a giant red spot. It was disgusting. I'm not gonna describe it, but I went to the doctor because there was a chance it was a tick that bit me, and I was having an allergic reaction. But I think it was just a bunch of flies, and I was scratching it. I don't know, but you gotta be careful because since when flies bite, I know, right? But you got to be careful because if it's a tick, and the tick can give you Lyme disease, that's death. So I didn't want to take a chance. So I don't know. I went into a walk-in clinic, and as you know, if you go into a walk-in clinic, it's pretty much prioritized. So every time someone comes in with an injury bigger than yours, you get pushed down the list and they get pushed up. So you could technically spend eternity there if you have a cold and people keep coming in with broken arms and needing surgeries and whatever. I was lucky. I walked in like a perfect time. Alright, let's play a really good song. I think this is the song I'm going to use for my edit if I do. being a bit hypochondriac, they're not gonna lie. What do you mean? I'm a little lost on what you mean by that. What are the odds of something happening because of fly? No, so it's not the fly bite. It's the possibility of it not being a fly and being a tick. And especially where we live, big forests, a lot of grass, there's a chance it could have been a tick, and that's where it becomes a problem. Because ticks will kill you if they have if they carry the certain diseases. And it was getting bad. It was getting like pussy and red, and it didn't look like a mosquito bite. It was what I think it was. My theory is that a mosquito and fly on the same spot, and they just kept on going, and I didn't realize because I was just playing with the dogs. These flies are ruthless too. But it could have been a tick. So I checked it out, got some medication, put it on, and if everything's okay, then we're good. You know, but it's like it just looked bad. It looked really bad this morning. Now it's much better. What type of fly? I have no clue, dude. I just know like these flies are like dog park flies. They smell the poop all day. So this is 2 clips. This whole thing is 2 clips. This slide down. That's 1 clip, and then that's a speed ramp into the next clip. Wait, these types of flies bites. Wait, what? Wait, these type of flies bite. Like I have a bunch of marks on my legs, and it's clearly from flies. It's not mosquito bites. You could tell, like, I don't know, or mosquito stings, I guess you would call it. This is a good song. Hate Me by Juice WRLD.
Hate me, still tryna replace me, chase me, tell me how you hate me, erase me, wish you never dated me, lies, tell me lies, baby, tell me how you hate me, I bet you don't kiss her with your eyes closed, I bet you're still walking on a tightrope, miss me so much you've been going psycho, you ain't gotta say it, baby, I know. It's a thin line between all this love and hate, and if you switch sides, you're gonna have to claim your place. So baby, this time you're gonna have to seal your fate. Yeah, baby, this time you're gonna have to seal your fate. And tell me how you hate me, still trying to replace me, chase me, tell me how you hate me, erase me, wish you never dated me, lies, tell me lies, baby, tell me how you hate me, still trying to replace me, chase me, tell me how you hate me, erase me, wish you never.
Oh, also the clips that have C on them, I don't know if you guys could see this because it's so small, but I'll actually mark them. any clip that has C on it, so anything here. So anything yellow is filmed on a Sony, meaning I can slow it down. So it was on a 120 frame per second clip, and everything with M in it is Canon filmed at 25 frames a second, meaning I cannot slow it down at all. Unless I do some like optical flow stuff, but I'm not there yet. So the whole point of what I'm trying to say is, if I have this clip right here, I can change the speed from 100% to 20% without destroying the clip. So I just extended it a shit ton more. You see that? By the way, tomorrow I'm filming a short film. It should be out tomorrow night, so I really hope you guys are gonna enjoy it, because it's stupid comedy, but I think it's gonna be funny. It's gonna be good practice for me. So he goes like under the wall here, and then he comes back up to just film nothing. So here, change clip speeds. Let's just bring it back to its OG speed. Perfect. On to the next. That's definitely getting slow mode, because holy shit is he walking fast. That's like the only decent just as I'm about to say that's the only decent gimbal shot, look what happens. Boom. 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 Alright, well, a lot of useless shit in here. Holy crap, this is so bad. Okay, that was decent. That was a decent, like, 4 seconds, 5 seconds there. Oh, my man's got some moves here. Okay, let me take that back. Go over the sign and boom, walks into scene. Now he's framed up properly. Nice, nice, nice. And mask. Okay, I like it. I like it. On to the next. I think I'm gonna end the stream actually really early today, but definitely continuing this tomorrow on Twitch. Oh my god, dude, what are these gimbal shots? I think I know the song I'm gonna use. Tell me what you guys think. I'm thinking we're gonna make him a channel intro. So like, yeah, a channel intro. And this is the song we're gonna use. Rabid. Bah, Ready for it? Watch your ears in case it's loud. Oh, wait. So I have to get this done by Thursday. So it gives me 6 days to finish this. And I'm thinking of just using this as an opportunity to further learn DaVinci Resolve and document me learning it. So I might break this up into like every day we do a bit on stream. I'm just thinking about it now. I'm like, doing this in one day, it's a lot of work. And I'm gonna try and do something really good. I don't want to do like a half-assed video because then I'm not gonna do it. I'd rather put that effort into something more important. You know what I mean? But like a channel intro, like showing him and being like vlogger, whatever. It could be cool. I have an idea. You know how like in certain movies they like freeze the frame, and then like the background gets cut out, and like so like let's say here we cut around his body, around his head, around his hand, whatever, and then the frame froze and like a blue background was there, and then a text slid in that said like videographer, right? And then you know like when they're introducing characters in a film, like I think Red did that, the movie Red with the bald guy who's always in action movies. I can't believe I'm forgetting his name. Dejvid, what? Come on. What's his name? The guy in red. No, not Reddit. Bruce Willis. Why don't you take her? What? Yeah, just take her. Give me a second, stream. I'll be right back. Give me a second, stream. I'll be right back. Sorry, chat. I'm back. Oh my god, you can hear this AC. Holy crap. Alright, we're good. I'm very quiet though. Are we good? Alright, seems like we're good. This is the loudest I can go. Let's keep going.
Still trying to replace me, chase me, chase me. Tell me how you hate me, erase me, race me. Wish you never dated me. Lies, tell me lies, baby, tell me how you hate me. I bet you don't kiss her with your eyes closed. I bet you're still walking on a tightrope. Miss me so much, you've been going psycho. You ain't gotta say it, baby, I know. It's a thin line between all this love and hate. And if you switch sides, you're gonna have to claim a place. So baby, this time you're gonna have to seal your fate. Yeah, baby, this time you're gonna have to seal your fate. And tell me how you hate me, hate me. Still trying to replace me, chase me, chase me. Tell me how you hate me, erase me, race me. Wish you never dated me. Lies, tell me lies, baby, tell me how you hate me, hate me, hate me. Still trying to replace me, chase me, chase me. Tell me how you hate me, erase me, race me. Wish you never dated me. Lies, tell me lies, baby, tell me how you hate me.
Hate me, hate me, tell me how you hate me. Tell me how I'm trash and you could easily replace me. Tell me that I'm strung out, wasted on a daily. Probably cause there's no one around me numbing all my pain. Probably cause there's no umbrella to shield me from all the rain. Probably because you're the one playing the mind game. You hate me because I don't let you play the mind game. They give me migraines and damage my brain. Date me, break me, easily replace me. Hopefully you see it clear, hopefully it's HD. Bet you wonder why the last few months I've been spacey. In your head I sing.
And tell me how you hate me, hate me. Still trying to replace me, chase me, chase me. Tell me how you hate me, erase me, race me. Wish you never dated me. Lies, tell me lies.
I like
baby,
that.
tell
I
me
like
how
that.
you hate me,
We like that.
still trying to replace me, chase me, chase me. Tell me how you hate me, erase me, race me. Wish you never dated me. Lies, tell me lies, baby, tell me how you hate me. There's a thin line between all this love and hate. And if you switch sides,
That in slow-mo is gonna look good.
so baby, this time you're gonna have to seal your fate. Yeah, baby, this time you're gonna have to seal your fate. And tell me how you hate me, hate me. Still trying to replace me, chase me, chase me. Tell me how you hate me, erase me, race me. Wish you never dated me. Lies, tell me lies, baby, tell me how you hate me, hate me, hate me. Still trying to replace me, chase me, chase me. Tell me how you hate me, erase me, race me. Wish you never dated me. Lies, tell me lies, baby, tell me how you hate me.
Tell me how you hate me, lies, tell me lies.
Tell me how you hate me.
Tell me how you hate me.
Lies, tell me lies, baby, tell me how you hate me.
These are good, like, establishing shots, like slow-mo of a sign and whatever, but they're not very useful. So I think what I might do is open it up with a couple of random shots of, like, the park and the street and whatever, and then, boom, actor walks in with his feet crunching on the floor. We're gonna have sound design going on. This is gonna be good. This is, I think I have an idea. Finally. It's gonna be a channel introduction, something you would watch, something you'd put on your channel, not before every video, but something to introduce your channel. So channel trailer, I think that's what it's called. Hell yeah, I can work with this. Establishing shot, I can work with this. Dude, they use terrible like, I don't wanna be mean, but I'm no pro. But their settings, not very good. Not the best job. I can see there's 0 people in the stream, so I have a feeling everyone left. So for those of you who are watching this, like, once it's posted as a video, thanks for being here. You can like the stream if you learned anything, maybe if it brought you some value or just entertained you. But I'm gonna end the stream. It's been about an hour. It's been 50 minutes. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in tomorrow's short film.